Have you ever needed to fake being sick because you needed to get out of school? Or maybe those pesky neighbors just won't stop bothering you.
Hi, I'm Trevnado, here with my award-winning cough syrup. The only cough syrup that's guaranteed to make you cough in mere seconds. Now in 3 unique flavors: delectable grape, zesty lemon, and pickle. Let's see it in action.
Just take off the cap, fill to the line, and drink. You'll be coughing in no time. Just hear from these satisfied customers.
I love this product. It really changed my life.
I use this product every day. I really love it. This is fucking bullshit.
Side effects will include nausea, diarrhea and anal leakage, loss of appetite, increased appetite, fever, split personality disorder, involuntary British accent, erectile dysfunction, gender change, amnesia, and spontaneous bone dislocation. Get back to your favorite activities like gardening, biking, football with friends, video games, and more. This patented cough syrup is grown locally and sustainably sourced. Just call 1-800-SCAM. That's 1-800-SCAM to get your bottle of cough syrup for only $19.99. That's $19.99, or only 3 easy payments of $19.99.
Convenient.
But wait, if you call within the next 60 minutes, you'll not only get a second bottle of cough syrup, but you'll also get the antidote absolutely free. That's a $10 value for only $19.99, or 3 easy payments of $19.99. Call now before we run out, or get shut down by the FDA.